If you want to start coding, you have the code on GitHub, and this is a quick link for that. Is the developing extension for Joomla5.com -Joomla USA 2024 -live -1. No, sorry, not dash. Now it's dash bootstrapping. And there you might find the code we are going to write in this session, okay? Like in this first part. So the folder structure for our extensions in Joomla 5 and in Joomla 4 is basically the same. We will have the component inside the administrator components area, and we will create a folder starting with com, okay? Lower dash, and then the alias we set up or we decided at the beginning of this session. We could write the whole clear to do this thing in lower caps with no spaces and other stuff, but it's very long. So I recommend using something shorter. Maybe CTL is very short and other extension might use it, but if you add something extra, it's going to be fine. Okay, and then inside that, we will have three main folders, okay? We will have services, TMPL, and SRC. Services will host just one file, okay? The provider.php. Well, I guess if you define more services, it might have many more, but its main purpose, and you have to add it because it will host the provider PHP. And it's the file where we will define all the services that we will inject in our dependency injection container, which is a fancy stuff we have in Joomla 5, Joomla 4. In SRC, we will have some subfolders like extension, controller, model, view, and table. Controller, model, view, and table should be familiar with you if you have already a program with Joomla, okay? An extension is like the new guy, and it's a folder that will have the boot file for our component. Boot file for our component is a fancy name to say that is the entry point for our component, okay? And the TMPL folder is where we will host all our layout files, okay, to show the list, the forms, whatever. Okay, let's start coding. I know you were waiting for that. So I thought I had already created that, but no problem. Okay, here, close here. This is weird. Yeah, I know what's happening. No. Let me see one moment. Okay. Not sure why it's not opening. Awesome. Okay. Go. File. Open folder. Oh. Okay, let's do it from here. No. Not sure what's happening, why it doesn't open directly. Anyway, we have it here. We have components, and I'm going to do a little trick here because I already have the folder. I should have the folder opened here. Yeah, this is one. File, new window, and I will do the stuff live on my computer here. One thing I hate of Zoom is it shows so many. Yeah, here it is. Okay, I am starting, and I will add the new folder CLT. Oh, sorry, com CLT. It should appear there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it works. So I will keep doing it. And we will create our main structure. So we said we have an SRC folder. We are going to add the TMPL folder, and we also will add our services folder. Okay, and now they are here. Okay, so the first thing we do is after creating the folders, we just tell Joomla about our extension. It's very great because in Joomla you just need an XML file to have an extension. And what we are going to do is exactly that. We are going to add this XML file defining our extension, and then we will be able to install our component.